Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, to use Odoo, what you need to do first is, of course, create a free account, or you can create any sort of account. Afterwards, you can subscribe, as you can see, since you do have a free trial of, I'm pretty sure it's, 11 days here, but it might be 14, or something of the sort, you also have a limit on how many modules you can use, so registering your subscription or buying a subscription is the smart idea here, since you do unlock all of your possibilities and you won't have an expiration date for your account. Now, of course, you could create a new free account, however, all your data will be lost on your previous account, so just keep that in mind. However, once you create your free account and once you enter the configuration, you will be met with a screen which says that you need to choose which modules you would like. Some of them come with your Odoo account and they are pretty much free. Some of them you do need to select, such as website. Pretty sure you need to also select sign, barcode, point of sale, etc. Pretty much depending on what you want to do. And once you select which ones you want, you just need to get here to your dashboard, click on the one that you want, and as you can see, for the point of sale, as you can see, you can try sample products from these here types of stores. So you can choose restaurant, bar, clothes, furniture, and bakery. However, you can also create your own products, and once you select them, you'll be able to set up your point of sale and test everything out to see if it's working. You can also go into accounting and pretty much just go through your accounting data, such as your sales, your purchases. Pretty much it's like analytics for your sales. You also have miscellaneous operations, etc. You can also go into your calendar and make appointments if you so choose. And there's a lot of things that you can do, but pretty much you just need to access them through your dashboard, and afterwards you just need to use them as they're intended, and that's pretty much it. Now, this was just an intro to this. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.